There we go. And we do a little salty trick training. Right? First he gets a free one, right? Who gets a free one? Yeah, Salty gets a free one first. Yeah, you do roll over. Come on. Whee! Good boy. Yeah. You do another one? Come on. Roll over. Whee! There's a good birdie. Good boy, Salty. Oh, that was a little one. That was a little one. Let's do another one. Whee! Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, here. Come get your chewy. Let's do circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good birdie. Good boy, Salty. You did. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good birdie. You do my favorite trick? You want to do my favorite? Yeah, that's right. He's a good boy. You shake hands? Yeah, how about high five? Yeah, high five. You wave hello? Come on, hello. Hello. Good boy, Salty. Yeah. Let's do your harness. Yeah, we'll get that one out of the way, huh? Yeah. Oh, he loves this one. This is a trick that Salty and I do every night. Every night, right, buddy? Here we go. Here's your freebie. Come on. You want this one? Go ahead. Here you go. Yeah, see? So easy. He gets a free couple of take like that. Yeah. That's right. And you go over there and get one? Go ahead. Go ahead and get this one. Here. Salty. Good boy. How about this one over here? All the way over there. It gets you comfortable with that, right? Yeah. Up. Yeah, see? Get a little harness on. As long as you have that on, you get free trickies, right? Yeah, you do. See, you get that? Yeah. Good boy. Very good. All right. Let's do your favorite part of it. Ready? Off. Good boy. Yeah. Very good. He's such a smart birdie. Huh? You want to throw it away? Come on. Get in there, you. Yeah, throw it away. Throw it away. That's a good boy. See? Yeah. Good birdie. Want to play some music? Come on, let's play some piano. Play some piano for me. Ready? Yeah, good boy. You're singing too, huh? Oh, come on. Give me a big one. Yeah. That's a good boy. You do it again. Come on. Good job. Yeah. You want to do one more? Go ahead. Good boy. Good, Salty. Make Daddy very happy. You do your ladder? Come on. We'll climb the ladder. We're going to climb the ladder of success. All the way up. Go ahead. All the way. Good boy. Come on down. Good boy. You want to do it again? Come on, we're doing it another time. You like doing this one twice. Do it again? Come on. All the way up. All the way. All the way. You're such a social climber. Come on. Good boy. Yeah. How about you want to do your colors? Come on, let's do the colors. Let's see how you do tonight with it. That's one at a time, first of all. That's red. Good boy. Yeah. Yellow. Good job. That's right, that's yellow. Yellow, good boy. Good, Salty. That's right, yeah, that's yellow. Alright, do the rest are red. It's red. Good birdie. Come on. Good boy. That's right, that's red. Very good, Salty. Good birdie. Yeah, you got one more? Yay, good boy. Alright, you gonna close them up? Come on, close them up. Alright, there's one. Here's the second one, come on. Come on, you can, yeah, that's a good boy. Good, Salty, very good. Yeah, you throw that, give that to Daddy? Yeah? Oh, good boy. Yeah, that's a good birdie. Yeah, squeaky boy. Now let's do sticky. Ready? Come on, up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, look at that. You did a good job with that. Yeah. You do my favorite trick? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you're a good boy. How about, you want to do ringies? Come on, we'll do your rings. Come on back. Good job, Salty. Very good. You're doing really good tonight, huh? You do all three? 3-ring circus? Come on back. Yeah. Oh, sweet. Very good, boy. Good, Salty. And now your favorite trick. Ready to do some flippies? Come on. Yeah, good boy. Do it again. Over the head. Good job. Very good. And do another one? Go ahead. Thank you, Salty. You got one more? Come on. You got one more in you? Over the head. Good boy. Now you want to do one more? Go ahead. Show Daddy. Yeah, that's a good boy. What a smart birdie. Come on, let's go shopping. Come on. Yeah, go shopping. That's right. You need carrots today, so we get carrots. All right, let's go shopping. Come on. All the way. Good boy. Get down the carrot. Good job. Yeah. And we're good people, so we have to put the shopping cart back, right? Come on. Let's put the shopping cart back. Good job. Because we're nice people, we put the shopping cart back in, right? And like some people will just leave it out there. Alright, let's play peekaboo. Want to do peekaboo, Daddy? Come on. There's Salty. Salty! Where are you? Peekaboo! Yeah. Alright, come on back. Come on back, buddy. Salty, where are you? There he is. Yeah, good boy. Want to do it again? Come on. Here's Salty. Salty. Come on, where is he? Salty, where are you? Where are you, buddy? Yeah, come on. Yeah, where's that Salty? You don't want to do it again? Alright, you don't have to do it again twice. But let's clean up though, okay? Come on, let's clean up. Good boy, that's one. How about this one? That's another fix that. Come on. That's a good boy. Very good. Very good, Salty boy. Alright, you want to play some other phone? Come on, let's play some music. Ready? La 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 la. Yeah, good boy. You gonna play a song for me? Yeah, you sing. Good boy, yeah. You gonna do an encore? Come on, play some more. Come on, la 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 la, la 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 la. Hey, you forgot it, come on. La 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 la. Yeah, there's a good boy, thank you. How about where is it? You wanna do where is it? Alright, where is it, Salty? There it is. Can I have it? Thank you. You're a good boy. Ready? Where is it, Salty? Where is it? There it is. Alright, come on, throw it away. Throw it away. Good boy. He's a good boy, yes he is. Alright, did you go to the bank? Want to go to the bank? Come on. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy, Salty. You're a very rich birdie now. No, we only did it once tonight. Only do it once. The idea is to get through all of them. Want to do your cubbies? Come on. Yeah, that's right. We're going to do your cups. Oh my goodness. You're doing it 2 nights in a row. Hey, come on. Oh, there's one. Oh, you cheated. You took 2 at once. Come on. Thank you, Salty. Good boy. Come on. One at a time. Alright, come on. Hey, one at a time. Good boy. Thank you, Salty. Here you go. There's one. To your cubs. Come on. You give this to me? Oh, thank you. You're a good boy. How about the ring? You do the ring? Good job. Yeah. How about jingle bells? You want to do jingle bells? Do jingle bells for Daddy. Yeah. Good boy. That's right. That stays there. Oh, thank you, Salty. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Oh, let's do. Want to do a spoonie? Come on, do a spoon. Come on. Oh yeah, good boy. You give it to me? Thank you, Salty. Oh, we're running out over here. Have to cheat a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Good boy. All right, where's the big bully? You do the big ball? Come on. Where's the big ball go? Oh, so heavy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. And where does that one go? It goes into there. Yeah. Good boy. All right, last trick. Last trick. Do your slide. Come on. Salty, come on. Hey. Salty boy. Salty. Come on, buddy. No, he's not going to do anything in that.